Hi guys, this is Shatta Wale, and as you can see, I'm just happy, because I got my new Infinix Hot 12. Man, we have the Hot 12. Show you how it looks like. Are you ready? Infinix. Anytime I see you like my baby. The one thing I like about Infinix phones, it always comes handy. It has this weight that, won't make your pants sag, how I sag my pants. So that's the front of it. As a brand ambassador, the first to get it, the first to use it. Shout out to Infinix, man. Oh, I don't even want to take it out. Gosh. Don't worry. They're going to give me a new one if I tear this. Take your time. It's a girl, baby. Wow. I think I'm loving this one, too. So that's the new Infinix. Comes to the camera. So let's see if we can put it on. Ooh. Yeah.
Infinix. The future is now.